Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dayu Wulandari and I am a student of Arabic education at UI Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. I'm going to express my opinion about the role of Arabic education for Muslim kids in understanding Al-Quran. A lot of parents just focus on their children's achievements, how to make them be smart, be clever, be disciplined, and etc. But do they know all of this component is written on Al-Quran? So in this case, I powerfully believe that Arabic education for Muslim kids in understanding Al-Quran is important. Compared to general lessons, Arabic education is helping parents to introduce their children to their God, Allah, from Al-Quran. The first reason is, according to Ibn Katsir, Arabic is the most noble language. He said because the Quran is the noblest book, sent down in the noblest language, delivered by the noblest angels, sent down in the most honorable place on earth, and also revealed in the noblest month of Ramadan. So can we judge how noble Al-Quran is? The second reason is the way I believe ensure that Arabic education has an important role of Muslim kids in understanding Al-Quran. It is because Arabic as an Al-Quran language. As we know, Al-Quran is Muslim life guides. Then to be able to recite Al-Quran, we have to learn Arabic in our life. Allah Subhanahu wa ta'ala said, A'udhu billahi minasyaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna anzalnahu Qur'anan Arabiyyan annakum ta'qilun. Indeed, we have sent it down the form of the Quran in Arabic, using Arabic, so that you, O inhabitants of Mecca, understand its meanings. Surah Yusuf 12, verse 2. Sadaqallahul Azim. The last reason is Arabic is one of the oldest language in the world. It is used on oral and written form, and it contributes to the development of Islamic thought tradition in some Islamic texts such as Hadith, Tafsir, Fiqh, Tasawwuf, and etc. as an explanation of Al-Quran. Therefore, it is very important for Muslim kids to learn Arabic language, especially in the realm of Islamic education, as to gain a deep understanding about the substance or contents or meaning sense of the text. So my recommendation is, as a future parents, we should prepare ourselves by learning Arabic as well. And for parents who already have children, you don't need to worry because there are many institutions that can provide Arabic and Al-Quran education, such as Islamic boarding schools and online learning. So that's my recommendation about the role of Arabic education for Muslim kids in understanding Al-Quran. Your comment and feedback are welcome. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.